Well, this is a guide about adding a patch into your server source. We'll add multifunction codes inside the High5 source, and the patch is for Freya. So I guess I will get some errors that I will have to solve. Well, let's start. First, let's look for this Java file. We take a look on the index, and we will try to find the L2 character. Okay, here it is. So here we need to add these two lines, no, one line, and update the other line. We can do it by two ways: finding the Java line and adding it, or simply copy and paste the line above what we must add and try to find it with Ctrl F. So let's do it, and here it is. Now we must add the new line, this, and we'll add here. As you can see, I have two more custom zones that aren't in our patch. So what I must do is change this ID in order to not be equal as another one. So I will change the others, increasing it by 1, and I must update this line to 22. I must do it 23, but here I have 24, so I will put 25. Okay, let's go L2 PC instance. We'll look for it. Here it is. About the import, you don't need to add the import by hand. Just add the line you must add, and then the program will say to you to import what you must import. So let's copy this and look for it, and we'll add here our line. And now I could add the import with the program solution, but we don't have this Java file created yet, so we will wait till I add it. So let's go to the multifunction zone properties file. Okay, this is a new file. I will just go to this game config. I will copy an existing one, and I will rename it, and now I will open it. I will clean all, and I will paste the document. Now I will replace all these plus symbols with nothing. Replace all, okay, and it's ready. Let's go to the next part of the code. Use item, clean package use item. Clean packets use item. Okay, let's find out this line here, and we'll add our check. Okay, here we can import a little character by putting our cursor in the red line thing and using the quick fix that the program offers to us. And the other we can't do it till the Java file is added. So let's move to request restart. Clean package request restart. Okay, let's look for this line, and let's add our check. And we'll have to add the import. Okay. The next one is the item container. Item container here, and we must update this line. Okay, updated. And now we must add a new Java file, completely new Java file. So what we will do is copy this and we'll paste this into a notepad file here, for example, here, and save it. Now we go to the program, right click, theme, apply patch, file browse, we look for our patch, and we finish it. Okay, now we have a new file inside this folder. Yeah. Okay, here we have some problems because the source is high 5 and the patch is for Freya. The first problem is about the extents. Here in high 5 with L2 spawn zone it's not used, so we move to another file at the same folder and see that it's used L2 zone type. So we copy this and replace, and the program offers us the proper import. So we add it the same with L2 skill, and the same here. Okay. And now we have some warnings about the type arguments, so we just remove it as the program says. Okay. Here we have another. Okay, solved. So now we can go to the other files and see that now the program offers us the proper imports and we can solve all errors. And it's okay. Now we can go to server packet style. And we have to update this line. Okay, this line is here, and we update this and add the proper imports. Okay. Now we move to clean package logout. We'll look for this line. Always try to not let any space when you try to find something, because it won't find it. And we copy and paste this. And we add the proper import then. Okay. And the last one is go to piece zones data pack. Zones piece. Well, in this source, this piece in Freya should be piece zones. We open it and go to the downstairs, and we can add the new zone there. And that's all. This should work, and we have the source without errors.